In this video, we will cover how to perform a temperature calibration. It is key to have an accurate temperature reading to be able to accurately measure the moisture of the grain. Temperature calibrations need to be performed before the moisture calibration. Temperature calibration will only need to be performed once. To calibrate temperature, we will need to be loaded to the mapping screen. Tap the Moisture button. On the Moisture Calibration screen, select the Temperature tab. Ag Leader recommends that you perform the temperature calibration while in a stable temperature environment prior to operating the machine. In this example, the outside air temperature is 72 degrees, but the calibrated temperature is currently displaying 80 degrees. We need to decrease the temperature offset by 7 so the calibrated temperature matches the actual outside air temperature. Tap the down arrow to decrease the calibrated temperature. Once you have entered the correct temperature, tap the green checkbox. Now your temperature is calibrated and you're ready to move on to the moisture calibration. Please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide for more information on harvest calibration. For more information on setup and settings for the InCommand Go display, use this QR code to access the operator's manual. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.